Hello YouTube. Today we shall be making a plane, just like this one. Okay? It's actually a paper plane that flies really well. So what you'll need is a piece of paper, some tape, and I don't know. What you do is you take the paper and you fold it. Fold it so that it is like this. Just fold it in half and unfold it, okay? Then you want to take this side and you want to fold that in the center. So it's directly in the center. And crease it with your finger, okay? Then you want to fold this over, fold it over again, and meet it in the center. And crease with your finger. Now you want to fold this twice over like that. Crease with your finger. Okay, then you take it, it's like that, okay? You want to flip it over, turn it like this, and put your hand just like that on it, and you want to pull it down the table so that curls more inward. You see how it's like curlish? Then you want to turn this in and put it right there. So just like that. But now you want to take some tape. Not a whole lot because it'll weigh down the side. And you just want to put it on the inside, or if you wish, the outside of the airplane. Okay, and now it's completely taped up. Now you want to go outside and just toss these around. Now how you want to throw these is you either want to throw it like that, or you want to throw it like a football, okay? So make sure you throw it like that and you get the spin on it, okay? The football way, it goes sort of to the side, but it gets thrown a lot harder. Anyway, that's all for the airplane making YouTube.